I just became a partner of a fitness app called FIYA.
Ah, that's the one you were telling me about.
Yeah. So it's very interesting. You have your own fitness passport, and as you train, it shows. Just like, for example, on your FIFA ranking, it shows where you're good at or not. The more you practice and train, it gives you your own kind of like statistic of your workouts.
And you have all the workouts in that program, all the different ones.
And what's nice about it also is that it's more relatable. So like the people that you're training with on the app are local talents, for example. It could be like, there are people that are, they're locals. It's not like some random model that's doing. It's people that you can relate to. That you may follow, or it could be an actor. I'm on it as a yoga teacher, and I have my own also program on it. Also, there's a company also I'm very excited about. It's called Spot, that I've become a partner of. And Spot basically is, so if you look at it like, it's like an Airbnb version. So Airbnb, you go on Airbnb and you book a residential property, apartment, villa, whatever, for you to stay in. Now, by the name Spot, what's Spot? Spot is basically where people can monetize a spot, and it's mainly focused for brands and creatives or artists. So, the way people constantly are looking for locations to shoot, today I could have a really nice place in my house that I can monetize. So if you have a
really dope kitchen, then you can put the kitchen up there.
And then you put it into the application, just like your villa on Airbnb, but this is a spot. And then brands and creatives then use that to,
and you make money off it.
Yeah.